Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be hosting a webinar with a company called Pairwise next Thursday, July 20th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Pairwise is a food tech company that uses new genomics technologies to create innovative new products. Their biostatisticians and genomists work together to design and conduct experiments for business users who bring innovative produce brands to market. By joining the webinar, you'll hear from Zoe Caesar, Associate Director, Software Engineering at Pairwise. Zoe will shed light into some of the challenges of scaling a rapidly growing company. She's going to walk us through some of their Dash apps that integrate human and scientific processes alongside hardware interactions in real time. We will also talk about some of the end results of Pairwise's incorporation of Dash Enterprise into their workflows, including 10x scalability of their molecular screening pipeline and how they output gigabytes of data weekly. It's going to be an exciting one, so make sure to reserve your spot by clicking on the link below.